Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, your trusted destination for premium smartphone content. Today, we are taking a deep look at the Sony Xperia 2 2026, a smartphone that quietly delivers flagship-level features without unnecessary hype. Starting with the design, Sony Xperia 2 carries a clean, professional, and premium look. Sony's signature minimal design language gives this phone a unique identity, making it instantly recognizable. The build quality feels solid, and the slim form factor makes it comfortable to hold for long periods. The display is where Sony truly shines. Xperia 2 features a high-quality OLED panel with excellent color accuracy, deep blacks, and smooth performance. Whether you are watching movies, editing videos, or scrolling through social media, the visual experience feels sharp and cinematic, especially for users who value realistic colors. Now let's talk about performance. The Sony Xperia 2 is powered by a capable flagship-class processor that handles daily tasks, multitasking, and gaming smoothly. Apps open quickly, animations are fluid, and long gaming sessions remain stable without major heating issues. The camera system is one of the strongest highlights of Xperia 2. Sony's camera tuning focuses on natural colors, accurate skin tones, and professional style output. Photos look realistic, and video recording delivers excellent stabilization, making this phone ideal for content creators and mobile videography lovers. Battery life is reliable and easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy usage. Fast charging support ensures you can quickly power up and stay connected throughout the day. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 2 2026 is an underrated flagship smartphone that delivers premium performance, a professional camera experience, and a clean Android interface. If you want something different from mainstream brands, Xperia 2 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more powerful smartphone reviews. Rocket Cell Phone.